Hey guys, Jake Nicole here. What our latest listing? We're here in Beamsville, 4206 Stadelbauer, and here's what's amazing about this property. We're in the heart of wine country. This lot backs onto a ravine. We got 3 bedrooms upstairs. We got a fully finished basement. We got 4 bathrooms in this house, 3 full baths. Here's the most impressive part. 40 feet wide by 272 feet deep. You're gonna love this property. Come inside, take a look, and dare I say, welcome home. Welcome inside 4206 Stadelbauer. Now here's what is so amazing. The second you enter this home, this is what you're greeted with. We've got this vaulted ceiling space. And as we tour today's property, I want you to imagine everything updated the way that you would like to do it, because we've got this property priced aggressively, I think, in my opinion, to have this lot backing onto a ravine that we're gonna show you in a minute that you saw from some of those overhead aerial shots, like really, really beautiful property. And this room is the crown jewel of all the potential of what you could create with the space. So come follow me back through here, because we've got these French doors that open up. We've got this rear deck space, okay? You can literally in the summer, you just have both these doors open. You're entertaining inside, outside on the rear deck space. It's really, really lovely. And then it opens up through here into a kitchen, really large actually kitchen space. So again, big windows. We're looking back on that ravine lot, which is lovely. We've got the perfect setting for you to have your dining table, updated pendant lighting, new fresh coat of paint in here, new flooring, whatever it is you want to do. This is a large space for you to have the kitchen. You could do a really big oversized island through here, all right? And then you've got your kitchen cabinetry, good layout of a kitchen. You don't gotta change the kitchen design too much if you wanna update things, but we got sliding doors behind us there, all kinds of options. So this is a fantastic setup for you to be able to reimagine the space. Now, as you follow me through, we circle back around the main level. We've got the entrance to our basement, which we'll take a look at here in just a second. And then we've got our first bathroom. So this is a powder room right here. Nice space for your guests to be able to just land. I like that it's away from the kitchen. I like that it's away from the living room space, so your guests have that privacy. And as we circle back around, we're gonna head upstairs, check out our 3 bedrooms and our 2 full bathrooms upstairs. Come follow me. Now, as we step upstairs, not only do we have the beautiful space behind us with the big vaulted ceiling space, but we've got our primary on the right that we'll check out in 1 second. We've got these 2 bedrooms, okay? So with our first bedroom, we've got nice big windows. We've got a pine tree out front. We're looking across Stadelbauer. Those other homes on the other side also back on to a big ravine area, so it's really lovely. Our second bedroom, same thing. Big window, mirror image of the other bedroom, closet on the inside, fantastic space. And then they have this shared bathroom, all right? Now, with our shared bathroom here, we've got sink, toilet, shower tub combo, all right? Great space to be shared. And then we step over straight to the primary. Now, this primary is amazing, tons of potential, okay? Nice big size primary room. You can see we got a queen here, and then we've got seating, so we got lots of space for you to have a king, still have everything that you need. And here's the best part. This view is phenomenal. You'd be lying here in your bed at night, you could have these windows open, you could be looking back onto the forest at sunset and have total privacy. From here, there's absolutely nobody looking at us. And as if that's not enough, and you've got the walk-in closet there as well, you step in to your bathroom that has that same view, okay? So this home is an awesome opportunity. Behind this, we've got a shower tub combo as well, so you can totally reimagine these spaces. And picture this as a primary where when you step in, you've got these big windows looking back on your ravine. Very few homes like this that come up, and truthfully, all the homes like this that come up are well over $1.3, $1.4 million, so you can put the money into this space. And those are homes that are selling that are not even fully updated. So if you fully update this, tons of potential. Come follow me downstairs. I'm so excited for you to see the fully finished basement. Come check it out. As we step to the basement, just behind us there, we've got our 2-car garage door. And once we enter in, look at this big, open, nice ceiling height, finished basement space. Now, here's what's fantastic. We've got space for a bed if you wanted to have it, or just space for a big entertaining space. Nice rec room, you got everything you could need, and this is a really special touch. We've actually got this set up right now where you can have a sink, you can have a fridge, you can have a little kitchenette down here and have this as a perfect in-law space. Maybe you want to rent it out and configure a way for people to access this off the garage steps that I just mentioned are up there. You've got possibilities, and this is a nice big 600-700 square foot space, okay? Now it steps into what is just a little closet space right here, a little seating space. On this side, we've got storage that goes out underneath the steps. And then back here, I've opened this up so you guys can see, we got our furnace, we got our hot water heater, all right? Really lovely storage space as well. And then as we come over here, we've got another fully finished bathroom. This is bathroom number 3 that is fully finished. Opens up, we've got tiles, all right? Wall, floor, big step-in shower through here, all right? This is a really nice update to have because it gives you the ability to know you've already got everything you need. You could do a little kitchenette down here for maybe a movie theater where you want to have just a sink, some snacks, a little popcorn station, snack station, whatever you want. And before we wrap up today's tour, I want you guys to see the ultimate part of this property, which is the rear yard backing onto the forest and the ravine. Come follow me, take a look. We'll see you out there. Now, in conclusion of our lovely tour today of 4206 Stedelbauer, we've got this backyard space. We got the covered patio space at the back. We're looking at the exterior of the home. And as we've talked about on this entire tour, this home is your opportunity to create something unforgettable, to create your forever home that you absolutely love and adore, because this is the view. Come follow me. We've got a gate that opens up to the remainder of the property. We're looking back. There's a ravine that flows down through here. You can see now that it's spring, nearing summer, just how beautiful all the foliage is, how absolutely magical the back of this property is. And we've also got this like Ferrari of sheds back here. We've got power running to this. It's an amazing space. So listen, here's the thing, guys. I want you to come. I want you to visit this property in person. I want you to see the potential of what you could do with it. It's an unforgettable location. You're gonna love it. Again, we're steps to wine country. We're steps to King Street here in Beamsville. It's an amazing area. So pick up the phone, give me a call today, Jake Nicole, 289-216-6852. And listen, whether it's this home or your next home, we want to help you find your dream home, but I have a feeling it just might be this one. Cheers, guys.